we are done plating. Thank you for watching. So I don't want to keep you guys waiting, so that's why I just said let me end the video and come back when I'm done, you know. So this is the hair. So this is it. I bend that a bit. So this is it. So it's very beautiful hair. It's a very beautiful hair. Stay like this. Let them see it now. So guys, this is it. So this is it. She can't wait for tomorrow. She's going to rock it to kindergarten, yeah? To school. Right, lands. Bend down a bit. So I told Harriet that sometimes we will be packing it like this, maybe 2. 1 year, let's just see. Let's see it, okay? Vati.
Okay.
1 year also. You see, well, let me do it. If you don't like it, we lose it, okay?
Okay.
See, sometimes you'll be carrying it like this. Bend down a bit. You see? Turn. Lambda. You see? It's very beautiful. You see? So thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and also help us to share our video. Yeah, say bye.
Bye.
So I just want to show you guys the finishing, you know. So this is it.